Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, we diagnose the choke. You'll see when the engine is cold that the choke here is fully closed. And like stated in other episodes, this choke is not electric. It is driven by exhaust fumes. In our test here, we took a heat gun and slowly started to heat up the choke, allowing the valve to open slowly. In this example, we show the choke spring away from the carburetor. You'll see as the choke spring is heated up, it expands, or in our case, opens the choke. Next, on to disassembling the choke valve. It is 3 Phillips screws and removal of an exhaust pipe, which allows exhaust fumes to escape from the exhaust manifold and into the choke valve. Once the choke is removed, you'll see that the butterfly valve on the carburetor is free floating. You'll see while apart, you're allowed to set the butterfly valve where you want it in regards to the choke. In our case, we only wanted the butterfly maybe open 3%. In the description, I've left some links below of some other great choke videos that kind of explain setting the choke. The butterfly on the carburetor is directly connected to this choke spring. In this image, you'll see you can move the choke assembly back and forth, allowing the butterfly valve to open and close. We did play with this for a while to set the butterfly to 3% open. Once you have the choke set, 3 Phillips head screws to get it back together. Next, assemble the exhaust tube. You'll see in this image we show on the top of the exhaust manifold where it exits and then goes into the side of the choke. Once the assembly is back together, exhaust gas exits the exhaust manifold into the choke, heating up the choke spring, causing it to expand, then opening the butterfly valve, and at peak operating temperature, the butterfly valve is 100% open. As long as the engine is at operating temperature, the choke is fully open. As the engine cools down, the choke slowly closes. The side image shows the exhaust pipe running from the top of the exhaust manifold into the choke. Now that the choke is set, on to finishing up adjusting the throttle cable. The throttle cable does have one adjustment. With the throttle fully closed, you want to adjust the cable to sync up with the carburetor at idle. Once the carburetor and throttle cable are linked, the control box, you'll have the ability to control throttle. On to some funny stuff and extra footage. Dang man, with all this YouTube stress, look at your hair thinning out. While wearing gloves, it's impossible to tape something together. Great little trick for your safety glasses. Wear floaters on them and you're almost guaranteed that you'll never misplace them again. If you like this video or content, there's 4 things that you can do. Like, subscribe, watch the full video, or shop at Amazon using our Amazon affiliate store below in the description. And like always, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it.